Welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I'll share with you nutritious apple chena kheer recipe. For making this recipe, I have taken a lemon, cut the lemon in half, remove the seeds of the lemon and squeeze the lemon juice. Boil half liter cow milk. I have taken cow milk. You can use buffalo milk also. Pour in the lemon juice into the boiling milk. Lumps of milk is floating on the surface of the solution. Switch off the flame and drain out the watery part, which is called whey. You can use it for making roti or dal. Rinse with cold water for 2 to 3 times. Prepare an apple. Peel off the skin of apple and remove the seeds of apple. Cut the apple into thin slices like this. Pour in these apple slices into boiling water and cook for 3 to 4 minutes over medium to high heat. Blanch the apple slices. Drain out the water from the apple to remove the acidic solution. Now mix the apple slices with previously prepared soft paneer. Mash both this ingredient with the backside of your fingers until it soft. Now pour this ingredient into the half liter boiling milk. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes over medium to low heat until it slightly thicken. Then add 1 small cup sugar. Stir well and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes over medium heat. Then add seeds of cardamom and few chopped dry fruit. You can add dry fruit according to your choice. Give a good mix. Cook for another 2 minutes. Our yummy apple chena kheer is done. Add 1/4 teaspoon food color. By mixing with little water, see the nice color. Allow it to completely cool. Garnish it with chopped dry fruits and the slices of apple. If you think this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.